Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to do a little recap of half the year. So let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and I wanted to sort of do a recap, but I've sewn a lot of things this year. So what I'm going to do is, what I've done is I've chosen one garment, one thing that I've made each month, and that's either going to be like my favorite thing that I made that month or the thing that I've gotten the most use out of. So that's what I'm going to share with you today, but I'm only going through January through June in this video, and I'll do a part 2 later. But I figured it would be easier this way because otherwise it's going to be like a lot, and I don't want to go through everything that I made. Like I said, I did make quite a few things this year. So that's how I'm going to do this. There'll be the pattern. You'll see the garments, and I'll try to show you the patterns, or at least give you the pattern number so that you can take a look at that. And yeah, so basically it's not a talking video. I'm going to do an intro and outro, and then you'll just be seeing the garment. So I hope you enjoy this. It's something new. I figured I'd give it a try. So thank you for watching, and yeah, stay tuned. So that is it for this video. As I said, this was January through June, and I will do the rest later in another week or two, but I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I ask that you go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.